Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Ram and today I'm going to share with you my experience with CO2 fractional laser treatment. Here are some photos taken before the treatment. My scars may look light in the pictures but trust me, they are actually quite visible. Medyo maliwanag lang talaga yung camera ng phone ko kaya parang medyo invisible siya. So, I got these scars when I was a kid, probably around 20 years ago. As in, matagal na talaga to, kaya medyo nag-light na rin yung iba. Kasi growing up, kahit ano nilalagay ko, like lotion, bleach, mga cream. Pero out of 100%, siguro 20% lang yung natanggal. So, I'm hoping this treatment will help lighten my old scars. And by the way, according to the dermatologist I spoke with last week, CO2 laser treatment won't completely remove scars. So, sa mga nagbabalak po, do not expect na matatanggal talaga yung scars nyo. Pero at least, diba, mababawasan yung darkness. At least, the treatment will help lighten them. Now I'm going to walk you through the process of my first session with them. First, pinunasan niya muna yung scars ko ng wipes before applying anesthesia. So, yung kulay puti po na nakikita nyo, ayan na po yung anesthesia. And then next, binalot niya po ng plastic.
Okay lang, ma'am.
Okay lang po. So, kung napapansin nyo, hindi siya ganun ka-red because they use a very light energy level since it was my first time. So, sa next na session, mag-a-adjust na kami ng intensity. Ito naman yung aftercare ko. Nabili ko lang rin to siya sa clinic nila for 550 pesos. But I'm sure it's also available outside. Now, it's very important to apply this kasi po nangangati talaga yung skin natin. This will help you prevent and treat skin infections. Yun lang po for today. I'll wait 3 weeks before going back to their clinic for the second session. Thanks for watching!